I almost walked with my mouth open. The amount of flies I've swallowed today that have just gone straight to the back of my throat. I won't need my tea. Morning, or should I say afternoon. I'm not at Middleton Lakes for a change. I've come over to the river in my village. The reason I've come over here is because I've seen a lot of photos on Facebook over the last couple of days of the Goosanders with the chicks on the backs. And there's normally loads down here, but I've seen one. I'm so shocked. You know, like I said, there's normally loads, and just my luck. I'm a bit gutted, really. So I guess I'm gonna probably have a slow walk back, but there's nothing about it at all. I think I've took a couple of shots of the back end of birds as they flew past. I hate it when I want to go out to take photos, and when I go out, there's nothing out. Oh well, carry on. Absolutely jack. Can't believe it. Normally there's loads of them over here. I'm kind of guessing, I'm no expert on birds, but I'm kind of guessing that if they've got chicks, they can't exactly fly off when they see you, like they normally do. I just remembered, all is not lost. My last video, I showed you the photos of the swallows that I managed to get when I went up Middleton Lakes. And I went up the following day, I think it was the following day, on the morning, just to see if I could get any better shots. I didn't really, but I still got some good ones. So I suppose I could show you them. I'll show you them now because there's probably not going to be anything else. Another reason why I wanted to come out today is I was contacted yesterday by a company called Dehancer, and what they do is they've created a plugin for DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is the software that I use to edit these videos, and I've always hated the look of my videos, and I think it's because it gets that crisp, straight from the camera kind of look, and you want it to kind of look a bit, I don't know, a bit filmy, don't you? Well, anyway, I've had a little play with this plugin, and it looks like it does a really good job, but I only had a little clip to kind of mess around with. So I wanted to come out today, get a little bit of footage, and see what it's like. So we'll actually edit the video in that footage today to see what it's like. Now, this company have said to me they want me to do a review, an honest review on YouTube on my channel. And in return, they'll give me this package completely free, which is, I think it's $399 US. So, yeah, I'm willing to give it a go. And like I said, for the first attempts I've had at it, it looks really good, and it looks like something I've been looking for ages. So, if I don't get any photos today, at least I'll get to have a go at trying that program out. It's actually quite warm when the sun comes out. And I've just ordered 2 coats for going out with the camera. I think it might be a bit too warm. I think it might be t-shirt weather soon. I've got to get some photos today, at least one or two. Back end of a teal. But you can't hear me with this bloody motorway right by me. It's not the prettiest over here. But I think it's been worth it. I've been here for a while now, and I've been taking some photos of a pied wagtail down here, trying to, well, catching the insects off the water. And I think I've got some good ones of him in flight. I've never got a good photo of a pied wagtail in flight, so it might be a first, and it was worth coming out if it's a first. And also I've got some kind of martins flying around above me. I don't know if they're sand martins or ice martins or whatever, but I'm trying to get a few photos of them. They keep coming pretty close, but they're so fast. I find these harder to photograph, harder than swallows. They're just, they've got no sense of direction. They're just like that all over the place. So I'll be lucky if I get a couple of photos of them. And they're kind of coming a bit close now, so I'll see what I can do. Well, I've kind of come to the end now. The river does go around a bit more, but I did have a walk up there to start with, and there was nothing up there at all. This part of the river here is normally the best, really, because you get the cormorants in the big trees behind me, and also the parakeets, which I did hear over there, so I thought I'll be able to get some shots of the parakeets. But I've come over and I can't see them. And to be honest, we have them a lot around here. In fact, in the summer we have loads, but I haven't seen that many this year. I've seen a couple. So I'll show you the photos I've got, if I haven't already. And I'll put this camera away now. And if I see anything else, I'll leave them after this. But I really don't think there will be anything else now, because there's just nothing else up this part of the river now. I can't see anything. But I've got to walk up a little bit more. And I don't know, you never know, do you? A kestrel or a buzzard might come over. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, and let me know what you think of this colour grading, if you think it looks any better or not. That's if I use it this time. If I don't use it, I'll leave a note after this telling you I haven't used it. But yeah, let me know what you think, if it's better or worse. So until next time, thanks for watching. Yeah, look, parakeet. No, I heard them.